motherfuckers to tell them little lies, like, not lies to make you cut them off, but lies to make you be like, bro, how the fuck is you lying about some little ass shit?
How the fuck you lie to me? And you claiming that you love me?
I walked in here with my brothers, we gon' send it up, a nigga finally in the war, so every glizzy get a button. Hey, I need you in the comments real quick, rate this bad boy. Ooh. I got so many of these. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Rock Tactical. I'm back. I ain't did a video in a minute. Don't ask me where I've been. I'll probably tell y'all in the next video. But today, first, before we get into the video, y'all be on the lookout for my Break Arms upgrade video coming real soon. Break Arms upgrade. This Break Arm upgrade made my 5-inch run. So, go ahead and clear YouTube. Break Arms update made my 5-inch run so smooth. So, and no recoil. So, boom. Be on the lookout for Hoodie for that update. And oh yeah, if y'all need a super safe, triggerpartsusa.com, triggerpartsusa.com. Use code REROCK20 for 30% off. Why wouldn't you? Super safe, come right to your door. triggerpartsusa.com. I'm gonna have it on the screen and in the description. One more thing. Let me know if y'all want to see this video. Glock 23X with the Nomad Defense 9X frame. Shout out to Nomad Defense. Use code REROCK20 if you want 20% off this order at Nomad Defense. Get you a 9X frame, flat face and trigger. Woo. Let me know if y'all want me to do a review on this build. But we not talking about this today either. Boom. So now, down to what we talking about, okay? Show you guys, it is clear. It is clear. Now YouTube, this is not a 30-round mag. This is a 20-round mag, okay? 20-round mag. Boom. So today we're going to be talking about my super safe 5-inch 7.62 build. Now, I've been dropping a couple shorts of me shooting this, and all the shorts I've been getting, bro, how you make it run like that? What did you do to get it to run like that? You feel me? So boom, we're going to be going over that. And I do have a super safe in there. So like I say, if you want a super safe, please go to triggerpartsusa.com and get you a super safe. Use code REROCK20. Not even playing. But here it is. So just gonna let you guys get a look at it real quick. I did switch the lower up, but it's staying like this. This is the build. This is the 7.62 from now on. Stand like this. Feel me? Look nice. It do got the, SBA adjustable. So I give me some bracing going on. Seagram Meal 5 up top. Got the Warrior lens. Reinforced barrel, upgraded gas block. Now, we're going to talk about how I got it to run the super safe. I'm going to insert some clips of the super safe running. I'm going to insert some while I'm talking. And I'm going to insert one right here for shortly. Heard that? Nice. And I'm going to insert some while I'm talking. So, now, first things first. Okay, let's point out the fact that I did not shade a shelf on my upper. I don't know if you guys can see, but it's a little shelf right here. So, on a 7.62 by 39 5-inch 7.62 that I run with the super safe. First things first, get a nickel bore on, fail 0 BCG. Runs amazing, no problems. Boom. First thing I had to do was get the gas ball. You gotta adjust your gas. You gotta adjust your glass. You have to get a good muzzle. This directs all the gas and blast forward, so I'll go with that. But I did not shave my shelf, okay? So with me not shaving my shelf, I did get a bunch of hang-ups, okay? But, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like, it's like silver in the inside of there. On the shelf. You guys can't see it, but it shaved itself. Not saying you guys can, but unfortunately, I got backup levers. So if my super safe breaks, I got a couple backup levers. So that's why I didn't mind doing that, okay? Boom. So that's why I got a bunch of hang-ups there. It's because I didn't shave my shelf. Now, the reason I didn't shave my shelf is because I'm a person who does his research. Then I want to see the problems happen for myself, okay? So when I built this, took it to the range, I'm like, okay, if this one hangs up, I want to see if it hangs up by myself. I don't want to just hear them say, oh, you got to shave your shelf to get it to run. So you don't have to shave your shelf. Just be honest, you don't. Just keep shooting it. It's super safe, and it'll just run. I'm telling you. I didn't shave my shelf. Now I run. Second problem I came into, hammer spring, okay? I probably got 3 light primer strikes because I was running steel case ammo. 3 light primer strikes, that's all. 3. Other than that, it was just brrr, brrr, brrr.
Ready? Yep.
You know? So you will have to enhance your hammer spring. So let's just get a list. For the 7.62 Super Safe to work, you need H2 or H3 buffer. Better. Okay? I prefer a brace. Because it's rapid fire and you can hurt someone. Okay, you can lose control and go crazy. I seen a guy shooting a 5.56. I'm gonna insert that video. This guy was shooting a 5.56 and it was just. I'm like, bro, come on, man. This 7.62 doesn't even have that much kick. But you need an H2, H3 buffer. Okay, you need an enhanced hammer spring. You need an upgraded BCG. You need a low shelf lower, so you don't have to shave anything. You need to upgrade your gas block, and you need a good muzzle, okay? Because muzzles will blow up. That's all you need to make the 7.62 super safe run. You need a good bolt weight, a good hammer spring, and just have a good bolt, okay? Now, these 5-inch uppers are very cheap, so you will come across problems trying to make them run super safe, okay? I was actually scared to run it super safe because I'm like, this shit was just the upper was built so cheap. I don't want it to blow up in my face. Content for you guys, so be on the lookout. We're gonna be shooting this bad boy again. This is my super safe 7.62 build, and it's just like this is how I shoot it, just like this. Oh, just like this, and it just burrs. Okay. So I'm going to insert some clips of me shooting it. Now, it's just reliable. Yes. Every time I took it to the range, every time I've loaded the bullet in and pulled the trigger, it have shot. Okay? Brrr. Will it stop occasionally? Yes. I will with a light primer strike. That's because I didn't put the enhanced hammer spring in there. I'm trying to see is it something to where it'll just work itself out over time. But I got the hammer spring. I'm just waiting. Okay? So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. Still in my testing stage. This is why I haven't posted any videos. I'm really getting everything perfect. So when I pop back out, it's gonna be different. It ain't gonna just be me just shooting. It's gonna be me shooting at targets. Like I've been working, not twerking. Bang. But like I said, if you need a super safety, go to triggerpartsusa.com. Use code ReRock20. Hey, I need you in the comments real quick. Rate this bad boy. Ooh. I got so many of these micro ARPs, y'all be like, what the hell, bro? Rate this 5-inch AR pistol. I just like how the package is so little and it's like a Call of Duty gun. This is my Call of Duty gun. Range toy. Don't everyday carry it super safe. But I know you guys hard-headed. You're gonna do whatever you want, so yeah. This is how I got the 7.62 super safe to run, bro. And when I say run, it run. Flawless. I got vouchers. I done had people at the range with me tapping. They like, oh my God. I'm talking about I'm at the range, the whole range. I turn around, the whole range outside is just looking at me smiling. You know what I'm saying? This 7.62 ain't no game, okay? And it looks nasty. Tell me, do y'all think I should leave it like this? I went with the all black 7.62, right? Because for my 300 blackout, so this is my 7.62 super safe. Now y'all see I put the 5-inch 5.56 super safe on here. I already showed you the gun is clear. I put the 5-inch 5.5 Super Safe on here. Because it's not adjustable, I can just leave this at one spot and I feel comfortable. Shooting a 7.62, sometimes I want to be a little closer, sometimes I want to be far away. Really depends on how spicy the ammo am I using. With the 5.56, it really doesn't matter because this is a great little distance. And it just, literally just, so. It's the 5-inch 5.6, I switched them around. Tell me how you like it. You like the 7.62 on this lower. And then I got the gold BCG, so that's why I put it with the FDE. But yeah, if you need a Super Safe, man, go to triggerpartsusa.com. I've had a couple people order one from them, and I've heard nothing but good results. Comment down below and rate my 5-inch 7.62 Super Safe. Showed you guys it was clear. Got the SBA adjustable brace. Like, what more do you need? What more do you need? What more do you need? What more do you need, man? Super safe, so it's down to go. You know, however you want to play it, we can play it. We can go 5.56, we can go 7.62, we can go 300 blackout, we can go 308. What you want to do? We go 10 mil, 40, 4.5, 9, 380. What you want to? We can do whatever y'all want to do. Now I'm talking, but make sure I like, comment, subscribe. This is the 5-inch 7.62 Super Safe build. If y'all want me to do a build list of where I got everything from, got this from Amazon. Bike handle grip, $20, works flawless. Feel me? This actually feels better than this KAK Shockwave blade. Can't lie. Got the flash can. Y'all know I like them flash cans on there. I just like how little it is, bro. And the package it handles. I know you can't hit a barn. I ain't trying to hit no barn, bro. But for my range toy, my content gun, this is a bad mammoth gem. So boom, this is the 5-inch 7.62 Super Safe, motherfucker. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Cause we dropping bangers. I got bangers coming soon. More bangers coming. Like, comment, subscribe.